Crude oil WTI and natural gas both have seen a reversal in last couple of days from the stronger resistance zone. We have seen several times in recent past, I've told you several times in recent past that 80, 81 and 82.6, only above 82.6 we may see bullishness in oil. And now again back to the next support levels on the downside at 76. Likewise, NG has breached past $3 levels, and in recent times I have told you several times that 3.2 might get achieved precisely if it is reversed from the median at 3.1. Now back to the support at 2.6. So what to expect today in these two? Is it a sell entry today, or we can see a bounce back? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. The next updates will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the level. Now, see on the hourly charts here, you can find 76.4, 76. Certainly a very good support. Here also, you can see it has took the support, and since then, it is trying to expand in nature. It has come back to the same levels yet again. That is the first part, and this is an expanding and bullish triangle. Hence, the bearish confirmation first, if it trades below 76. Then my next target at 75 and 74, only below 74 we can confirm that there is going to be little more bearishness, and hence 74, 76 yet again is going to be an important support zone. Now look at the hourly charts more closely. You can find lower highs, lower lows. Trying to trade in this channel do not confirm of a bullish reversal or retracement till it trades below 78 levels. Only above 78 we can see that there could be little more bullishness. That is the first part. Second part is higher lows are seen here, lower highs are seen in the very near term. Yes, you can buy at 77, but then expect 77.5 and then 77.8 as a very good resistance. Beyond that, we may see it flying for 78.2, 79 and 80 levels yet again. Now, on the flip side, on the opposite side, I will recommend you to sell here at 76.2 levels, the previous lows, and below that we can expect 75.8 and then 75.5, 75 and then below that further drop can be seen. Now let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic looking for a reversal, trying to look upwards. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish. You can see it is trying to diverge, which is a bullish sign here. Let's see how far it can stretch. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to trade bullish. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now on the 2-hour charts, we had seen in the recent past, it was trying to trade in this bullish channel, and it has certainly breached this channel for once. But at the same time, if you look at, this is trying to trade in this bullish triangle, and only bearishness might be seen if it stays below 76 levels. On the 2-hour charts also, if you look at, see lower highs, higher lows, trying to or willing to break out. Yes, you can buy at 77 levels, expect 77.5 and then little more bullishness might be seen there. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry. RSI at bottom and trying to reverse a bit. Now look at 3-hour charts. This is a reversal indication for me as far as my knowledge is concerned. Probably it is trying to reverse here. Now look at these three candles, diminishing body size, a reversal indication, and then probably it is trying to rise more. So rather I will recommend you to buy here at 76.8 itself, expect 77.2, 77.5 and beyond that we may see a little rise, and only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 78 levels. A stochastic trying to look upwards, the MACD is bearish trying to converge here, RSI at bottom trying to reverse here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, higher lows are seen. Probably it is trying to come back till this zone and then this zone here. So once it stays above 78, further we can see a reversal. Till then it is trying to retrace, and lower highs, that is 77.4, 77.5 levels is something you should watch out for. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is bearish, but see the candle size is diminishing. Probably it can cross over here. RSI trying to look upwards. And on the daily charts, you see on the daily charts there is a diminishing candle or very small with a very small body size. That is the first point. Second point, it failed to breach past 76, which is a very good support. And see, this is an expanding triangle. Next is higher lows are seen here, and the last is the resistance here at 78. You can see 20, 50, 100 period moving average coming together between these levels. So yes, you can buy here at 76.8, expect 77.2, 77.5, and then 77.8. Beyond that, 78.2 and 79. Now see, there are as soon as it starts moving away from these levels, it is going to be, or it is going to act little more bullish, and you will see the next resistance levels getting breached faster and stronger. So beyond 78.2, we can see that the next resistance level 78.8 and 79 zone, and beyond that we may see 80, 81 and 82.6. That is the first observation here, and hence you can take your positions. Now see, stochastic was overbought. It is seeing a drop. It is looking downside, and it is still got a lot more distance to cover. The MACD trying to look forward to a crossover for a sell, and this crossover is coming above zero levels. You have to be little bit watchful here, because see, if this time it crosses over, this time it can bring further sharper, stronger bearish move there, because see, it is still trying to trade within the very narrow band here. The RSI looking down, indicating little bearishness here. And for the day, yes, 76.8 you can buy, but then remember till 78.2, we have to be cautious, watchful, and observant, and you have to trail your stop losses. And if you note down the levels, you have to keep shifting your stop losses to these levels. That is 77.2, 77.5, 77.8, and 78.2. Once the trade gets achieved, you have to either re-enter or keep shifting with the trailing stop loss. On the downside, yes, very important, you can sell, but only I will recommend you to sell at 76.2 levels. Below that, you can expect 75.8, 75.5, and 75. Below 75, little more bearishness might take it to 74, which is the next stronger support, and if it breaches 74, there could be little more drop, which we might see. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for natural gas. And natural gas, if you see higher lows, higher highs, it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel. Second observation, it failed to go past the next stronger resistance at 2.8 here, and only if it stays above 2.8, we can confirm this for a reversal. Now that is the second point. Now on the hourly charts also, if you look at, see one bullish candle, this is still trading with bullishness. Yes, if you see it trading above 2.68, or rather I will say better, you can take a position only and only if you see it trading about 2.71 levels. Beyond that, we can expect 2.75, 2.8 as the next resistance, and beyond that it is going to fly high again. And a sell entry below 2.64 can be taken for 2.62, 2.58, and below that we can see a further sharper drop. So in between 2.64 and 2.71, we have to be little bit watchful and observant. Now see, stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought. It can try to slide a bit. The MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI also trying to show a little strength, trying to look upwards. Now, if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can find higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, 2.69, 2.71, and beyond that, we can see a little more rise. But see multiple candles getting resistance at 2.75, and hence you have to be watchful of 2.75, 2.8 zone. Beyond that, we may see it flying high again. RS stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI also trying to look upwards, showing a little strength there. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, you can see a reversal indication after a couple of red candles, and till the time it stays with a lower highs, we can expect or we should not confirm that it is trying to reverse. Here there is a probability that it can reverse till here because there is a reversal sign. The next highs are at 2.75 levels, and then you have to be cautious in between 2.75 and 2.8 levels. The stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is trading at bottom, and if you look at 4 hour on the 4 hour chart, see it is trying to create a step, and the next candle definitely might, if it opens above, tries to trade bullish, we can see a good bullish candle which might in fact take it for 2.75 levels again. The stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI trying to look upwards, and on the daily now look at the daily charts. First, that double top or almost the resistance at the same levels is seen, and almost this 2.72 levels is going to be a good support level. Next is the support seen here from the 20 period moving average at around 2.58. These three are very important here. 2.65 to 2.58 to 2.78 zone is going to remain important, and if it stays above 2.8, further bullishness is confirmed. Stochastic, which is traded overbought, has come to bottom or oversold zone. The MACD is still bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. Let's see if it does. RSI is also trading comfortable without any bullish or bearish sign here. Now on the daily charts, another important observation is lower high seen, lower low seen, trying to trade in this bearish channel. And once again, if you see it trading above 3.3 and $3 and $3.2, then you can expect further bullishness there, which might take it for 3.5 and above levels. Considering this, for the day, you can buy here at 2.71 and sell at 2.64. Below 2.64, the next target's at 2.65, 2.58. Only if it trades below 2.58, there could be little more slide, which might take it for 2.55 and 2.5 levels. Below that, further drop can be seen for 2.4, but these are going to remain a very stronger supports at 2.4, 2.5 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 2.71, but then expect that 2.7475 first target, and then 2.78. Only and only if you see it trading above the zone 2.78, 2.8, to confirm that it is trying to trade bullish again, we can see 2.9 and 3 levels again. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.